It turns out that the number one thing you can use to get the stink out of your refrigerator is newspaper. That's right, the stuff that's in your recycle bin or perhaps it's in your trash can that you're going to throw away, you can use to help keep the odors down in your refrigerator. All you need to do is crunch it up in a ball and put it in the freezer. Not the section of the refrigerator where you keep your beer. Put it in the freezer because 100% of the air circulates through the freezer. If you have a really bad stinky refrigerator, you can put a whole bunch of little newspaper balls in there for a while and then remove them, and after you get the odor under control, then you can switch it about once a week. And why not? You're gonna throw it away anyways. Well, there you go, folks. Now you know the best way to eliminate refrigerator odors, and best of all, it's free. Thanks for watching.